Hey, yo, yo, yo. Who, bitch?
Who is she? Like, who is she? Like, who is she?
How was you feeling, bro? Feeling like the four, I feel fantastic. Which one would you be, though? Mr. Fantastic, cause of money like elastic. Burberry trench coat, you smoke oregano, I'm smoking on Nick Cactus. I'ma be real, you know when I...
Hello, my name is Camarria Hare, and welcome to my vlog channel where I post whatever I want, basically. Today, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I'm just learning, so this is all a learning experience. Before y'all go commenting in the comments, like,
you used the wrong brush for that,
or
you did the wrong step in the wrong order.
I don't want to hear it, don't want to hear it. And also, I am kind of sick. I'm slowly getting over this little cold I got. Cough, cough. Cough, cough. I'm slowly getting over this cold. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I do post videos. I'm supposed to post them every Wednesday, but I actually posted my first video on Monday, which I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna moisturize my face. Oh, I also did just get out the shower and I did take my weave out, so I'm just moisturizing my face. I'm not that sick because y'all, yesterday was, ooh, I could barely open my eyes. I could barely speak without coughing. Like, it was just, woo. I had to have a whole tissue roll in my room. That's how bad it was. I definitely need to get a new beauty blender. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, this one is so ugly and dirty. I don't have to get a new one, but I'd rather get a new one than clean it. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know why I've been spending hella ton of money on these makeup products, and I don't even know how to do makeup, so I mean, technically, that's my fault. But I'm just like, I want the best of the best. I got this bigger, bolder brows kit. Yeah, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out with this spoolie. Boy, all these pimples. I just like to do my brows and then conceal, if that makes sense. I don't know. I could just like draw a line and then like fill it in and then draw another line or whatever, but I don't do that. Oh, this brush is so tiny and it's really hard to do this with nails. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. They have Gimme Brow too, I think, for setting the eyebrows, but they didn't give me Gimme Brow, so I got, yeah. So now I'm gonna go in my concealer. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer Corrector, I think that's what it's called, in shade 45 Tan, and we're just gonna use that to conceal our eyebrow. And also I'm gonna be using my Eco Tools, and I kept saying Eco Tools. Literally, I don't think anybody really watched my last video, but whatever. Make sure you guys go check it out though. It's linked down below. Now I'm gonna put some concealer under my eyebrows and above my eyebrows. Oh my god, I look like I'm going to Coachella. I like that little wild looking eyebrows, like when people brush it up and stuff. For the face primer, I use the Benefit The Professional Pro Balm. I think I'm gonna switch over to the Maybelline Baby Skin. I don't really know what this one does, but we're gonna put it on anyways. And this is a weird one because it actually has color. I'm gonna use some more primer because I felt like that wasn't enough. My nose and my chin and like right under my eyes where the pores really are. What the heck is these holes in my skin? I thought something was wrong with me when I was younger. Is my skin screaming or something? I'm not going anywhere. I don't know why I'm trying this, but I just want to see if it has any different results, because I know people like set their face before they actually put on their face. What? For setting, I use the Urban Decay Day Slick, I don't know what they're trying to say, oil setting spray, oil setting spray, oil setting spray, oil control setting spray. So yeah, so for foundation I use the Maybelline Fit Me 360 Mocha. So yeah, we're just gonna apply that to our face. I got it on my edges, and I'm gonna blend it out my neck today because I don't usually do that. Wow, maybe it's just my skin or something, but like every freaking foundation I put on looks cakey. So what I like to do is just go like that, go down my nose, and that was kind of crooked, but whatever. And I like to bring the highlight in under my eye. Let's do a triangle. Hakuna Matata. So I'm gonna just take this flat foundation brush. I've actually never used this to do my concealer, but I just want to try it today. Oh Lord, what am I doing? And I also bought some NYX Mineral Set It, Don't Fret It matte finishing powder. And this stuff gets everywhere. It's already getting everywhere. I've been really obsessed with Ulta lately. I don't know. Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Hey, Liddy! Thumbnail. Now I'm gonna attempt to contour. Don't come for my life. I know I can't contour. It's freaking difficult to put the top on there. Oh my god, my room is so dusty right now because of that freaking mess. So now we're gonna contour, and I just use this foundation stick that I just got. It's the darkest shade I could find. I don't know how to find freaking contour because like every store I go to, like they don't have dark shades. Contour my jawline. This is the Eco Tools angled foundation brush. So this is for foundation. Actually, I'm gonna use this powder brush to blend it on out. You guys can tell that contour line is gonna be very harsh. And I'm gonna dust off some of this freaking powder. I'm like a freaking burnt potato. Oh lord, this is a hot mess. That contour just ruined everything. My contouring skills aren't all that anyways, but still, it was just like hard to blend out and whatever. I would contour my nose, but y'all see how that contouring came out, so we're not gonna try that. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with Benefit Highbrow. I actually got it as a Christmas gift, but I wanted to try it today. It's by Laura Galere. Laura, I'm just gonna show you guys. I don't really have any blushes right now. Look at that pink, it looks cute. Usually I like to smile. Homie, this is more like a freaking highlight. That's what our blush look like. This is also by that girl Laura, and it's actually supposed to be a baked marble eyeshadow duo, but I like to use it as highlight because it's really bomb. It's a really nice shimmery like color right here. I like to go on my nose and go where you highlight under my eyebrow. We're gonna do the eyeshadow. We're gonna prime our eyelids with the e.l.f. eyelid primer. I do dots for everything. It helps, I think. I don't know why I'm doing a really full face of makeup. Like, I'm actually finna go somewhere. Like, I'm finna kick it with my homies that I don't have. Finna go with my boo out to the club. Like, yes, boo. This is the Morphe 3502 palette, and they also just got the Jaclyn Hill palette at my Ulta, but it was all gone when I went there, so I'm salty because I wanted to get it. I should use my highlight from here because they have some bomb freaking shimmery eyeshadows that I could use. Like this color right here would have been a really nice highlight, or this one right here. So for my transition shade, because I don't want to just go straight in with the black, I want to transition so the smoky eye isn't that harsh. So I want to go in with this orange color right here, and I actually got way too much on my freaking brush. So I'm gonna just apply that to my, oh my god, boy, it went everywhere. It's on my nose. Oh shoot, what was I thinking? Because I usually put on my eyeshadow before everything else. That's why that just happened. I should have used tape, boy. There's so many things I could have done to make this better, but I didn't. I'm gonna use this really bright red, and yeah, I call it tapping because that's literally what I'm doing. So we're gonna go in with the black, and we're gonna try to be as safe as possible. That's what we're working with right now. I'm gonna go in with this black right here. What is the word for this? I'm gonna take my time with this one, and this one is already turning out crazier. That's me talking all that smack. Probably shouldn't be using a blending brush to apply all of this. I'm gonna use the Eco Tools blending brush because I feel like it might blend better. I don't know. How you doing? No, you know, I just got punched in the eye and then I turned it into a look. So I'm gonna take this flat brush. What a flat brush at? This random flat brush, and I'm gonna apply some glitter. I'm gonna spray it first with setting spray. We're gonna take him and we're gonna put him on our eye. My cough has officially returned. Down memory lane. I be remembering those songs, boy. Yeet, boy. I don't know how crazy it looks, but I know it looks pretty freaking crazy. For eyeliner, I use the e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm gonna use a flat brush. It's a different flat brush, but it's a flat brush. I'm gonna use that to apply that red we already used. I use the NYX eyeliner, but you can use any eyeliner. Eyeliner is an eyeliner. At the end of the day, it's an eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using their Real by Benefit. There's a lot of Benefit up in here. And honey, them eyelashes be looking poppin'. If you guys actually look at the freaking way this looks, it's actually quite scary. So, oh my god, I just wasted a bunch of mascara. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna use the lip color I used in my last one. And I'm sorry I don't really have any lipsticks and lip colors and stuff. I'm not the only person who uses hair store freaking lipstick and lip gloss. Because I'll be watching tutorials and they be like, you can get it at your local beauty supply. And I'll be like, I understand. Yes, girl. Get it at the beauty supply. We're going to set that. I just drenched my face. I'm so awkward. I'm so awkward. Well, I got a mess to clean up. It's gonna be so fun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. I post videos every Wednesday. Even though I did post my first video on Monday, I will be posting from Wednesday from now until later. My Insta will be linked down below. My Snapchat is at Camarria Hare. And I've been editing on my phone lately, so I haven't been being able to do all the effects that I want to, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Well, comment some video ideas, because I don't want to just do makeup videos, because that's kind of lame. Pretty lame, if you ask me. So, yeah.
Like a nigga. You knew who it was? Who? Quavo.